In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on airplane mode in Windows 10. This is a simple feature, but it can be really useful when you want to quickly disconnect from wireless networks, save battery, or follow airline rules while you're traveling. Let's start right from your desktop. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where the taskbar is. You should see a series of small icons near the clock, like Wi-Fi, sound, and maybe battery. This area is called the notification area. Next to those icons, you'll see a small speech bubble or a square icon that looks like a message box. This is the Action Center. Go ahead and click that icon. When you click it, a panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This panel shows notifications at the top, and at the bottom you'll see a group of quick action buttons. If you don't immediately see all the buttons, look for a link that says something like Expand. Click that to reveal the full set of quick actions. These buttons give you fast access to common settings, and one of them is Airplane Mode. Now, look for the button labeled Airplane Mode. It usually has an airplane icon next to the text. If you don't see it at first glance, double-check that everything is expanded, and scan through the quick actions carefully. Once you find it, simply click on it. When airplane mode is turned on, the button will usually become highlighted, and you may see your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons change or show that they're disconnected. Windows will disable all wireless communication, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and sometimes cellular data if your device supports it. This is exactly what you want when you need to quickly go offline. If you want to turn airplane mode off later, just repeat the same steps. Open the Action Center, find the Airplane Mode button, and click it again. The highlight will disappear, and your wireless connections will be re-enabled so you can reconnect to your networks. A quick tip: if you use Airplane Mode often, you can make sure the button is always visible in the Action Center's quick actions by customizing them in the Windows Settings app under System, and then Notifications and Actions. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to turn airplane mode on and off in Windows 10 using the Action Center and quick action buttons.